You reach for organic produce, believing it's always nutritionally superior and completely free of pesticides, right? Many of us do, often paying a higher price for that peace of mind. But what if I told you the truth about organic is far more nuanced and not always what you expect? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly when paying extra for organic truly makes a difference for your health. First, let's clarify. Organic farming focuses on natural processes and sustainable practices. This generally means no synthetic pesticides, herbicides, or fertilizers are used. It also excludes genetically modified organisms, antibiotics in animal products, and relies on crop rotation and composting to maintain soil health. Now, for the big question. Is organic food nutritionally better? Decades of research, including large meta-analyses, show surprisingly little difference in nutrient content between organic and conventional foods. While some studies find slightly higher levels of certain antioxidants in organic produce, the variations are often small and depend more on factors like soil quality, ripeness, and storage. What about pesticides? Organic produce isn't entirely pesticide-free. It uses natural, approved pesticides. Conventional produce, of course, uses synthetic ones. However, regulatory bodies strictly limit pesticide residues on conventional foods, and most studies find levels well below what's considered harmful. The health benefits of eating fruits and vegetables, regardless of type, far outweigh the minimal risk from residues. So, when does organic truly make a difference? It often comes down to environmental impact and avoiding specific pesticide types. Organic farming generally promotes biodiversity and soil health. For your personal health, a helpful guide is the Dirty Dozen and Clean 15 lists from the Environmental Working Group. These rank produce by their typical pesticide residue levels. The Dirty Dozen includes items like strawberries, spinach, and kale, which tend to have higher residues. If your budget allows, these are good candidates for buying organic. The Clean 15, like avocados, corn, and onions, typically have very low pesticide levels, making conventional options perfectly fine and budget-friendly. Here are 3 practical ways to maximize your nutrient intake and minimize concerns, no matter your budget. First, focus on eating a wide variety of whole, unprocessed foods. The sheer quantity and diversity of fruits and vegetables you eat will have a far greater impact on your health than whether each one is organic or conventional. Second, prioritize organic for the Dirty Dozen items if you're concerned about pesticide exposure and your budget allows. Otherwise, conventional is still a great choice. And third, always wash your produce thoroughly, regardless of whether it's organic or conventional. This simple step can remove surface dirt, bacteria, and some pesticide residues. Ultimately, the most important thing for your health is to eat more fruits and vegetables. Period. Don't let the organic debate deter you from enjoying nature's bounty. If you found this breakdown helpful, give this video a like and subscribe to Greenplate for more science-backed tips to nourish your body and mind. What other food myths should we tackle next?